Alright, back at Kevin's farm. Talk a little bit about planting. Now if you look over here, you can see the sheds are in the sunlight and the garden is in the shade. It's late in the season and you can see where the garden should be and where it shouldn't be. So what we're going to do is put some posts right here and on the other side and create a platform to put some raised beds up in that area. So we'll come around the side over here, the old tunnel of bounty. See, now we're on the other side of the sheds and there's still sunlight back here. We got about another month before the shortest day of the year, and this will be done with these grapevines up top and some more brickwork. You can see up here too, all the sunlight is still up here late in the season, so we're gonna put a beam right across here later on today and set up the perfect platform for full sun veggies, fruits, and what have you. Let's give thanks to the garden for awesome bounty. Still got a lot of strawberries and such. There's my little Montauk sign. And you can see up front as well. This area is all shaded right now, but as soon as the sun passes the house, you can see over here, the sun is just coming out. See it? You see it? Not yet. Oh, there it goes. Alright. So this will be the best area to plant because it's getting light even in the darkest part of the year. I put some garlic down in here. So the previous owners didn't put the shed in the greatest spot. You know, I would have moved them back this way under the tree so they're not blocking the garden space, the homestead habitat. Alright, you can see the original vine, the ancient vine. Alright, so I'm even going to put a post right here and across, create a third area that's in full sun. Maybe it will even go from here to here and back. Hopefully we'll see the video of that in the spring. So if you got any questions, put them in the comments. I'll leave my email in the description. And please, do the like and subscribe thing because we're all trying to help each other out. And it's Kevin's Farm, Babylon. We'll see you guys next time.